Good morning. This is just going to be a very quick video. There's quite a cool workshop up here with some interesting cars. I thought I'd show you this W140. I'm not sure if it's a V12 or not. It's been here a very long time. You can tell all the paint's faded on it, which is a shame, and it's got quite an old plate on it. But lovely. I'll just show you this Honda workshop mostly. So we've got a EG Ferio sedan with the carbon bonnet, and they've got Ferio VIRS. One of the cars getting ready for the drag racing. Lovely Honda Accord in for a little bit of work. Then we've got I'm guessing these are some of the customer cars and some of our cars, some of the project cars. They have here. This Honda NSX, I'm not sure what happened to it. It used to be gloss black and in really good condition. So yeah, not quite sure what happened to this one. I'll just show you around here a second if you don't mind waiting. Because in amongst these bits here is, I think that was a 300ZX Fair Lady, which is quite a rare car here. Yeah, what a shame for that NSX. And why gimbal's just picked up on the bin. Sorry about that. I picked up on the cat by the bin. So yeah, these mostly customer. Oh, Camry down in the hedge. And this poor old Corolla has been here a long time. It did used to have all its glass. Sadly, someone's smashed it at some point, and then it's been used to store rubbish, which is a shame. But I'm being barked at, so I'm going to leave this video off, and I will catch you on the next one.